and today in my kitchen we're making hazelnut milk. I didn't realize how easy plant-based milk was to start with. I went vegan maybe 24 years ago now, and I wasn't really bothered about finding a milk replacement. I didn't really use one, but then I noticed how excited other people got about different plant-based milks, and then I started playing with it, and it's like this kind of alchemy in the kitchen. You know, plant-based milk, they can make a really nice drink that you can just sip on all day long, and you know, they're all so different and so unique. And I've made videos with hemp milk and cashew milk, and I really didn't use strainers for those, you know, kind of lazy way of doing it, and then you do get the sediment in, but that is absolutely delicious too. There are other nuts and seeds that really do need to be strained though. So in this recipe I'm going to show you how to make hazelnut milk with a nut bag. Now, nut bags you can buy very easily and inexpensively on the internet, so there's nothing gonna stop you making these delicious plant-based milks. The benefit of these plant-based milks are that you can put way more nuts and seeds in than if you buy them in the store. They're much more vibrant and healthy, and they haven't been stored in a Tetra Pak using unnecessary packaging, and it's just so rewarding and so exciting to make your own plant-based milks. With the hazelnut milk, I'm going to use a dash of maple syrup, a dash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt, just to create that divine plant-based milk alchemy. So let's go. Okay, so it just needs a little bit of forethought. You need to soak your nuts in advance. This is about 1 cup of hazelnuts, which is 150 grams. So I've soaked those overnight. I'm just going to strain them to strain off the soap water. And then I've got a really inexpensive blender. This is a kind of all-in-one blender that I have a food processor with and a nut mill. It really didn't cost that much money, and it's really good. So you want to pop your hazelnuts in there, add a dash of maple syrup. I probably put less than a tablespoon in. Dash of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon maybe. A pinch of salt, which is entirely optional. The salt just gives it a little bit of divine alchemy. And this is sea salt that was harvested by hand in the Atlantic Ocean, so very precious to me, and I go and get that myself. I don't harvest it myself, even though I'd love to. Just adds to the magic here. I'm going to add up to about 1 litre of water. In this case, yeah, I've added about 800 millilitres of water to that. And obviously the less water you add, the thicker and creamier it will be. And bear in mind, this is actually going to have a much higher concentration of hazelnuts than if you bought one in a Tetra Pak in the store. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to blend this for about 90 seconds until it's nice and combined.
I really do a blender dance. Every time I blend it, I'm sure it makes it taste better.
I think that should be good now. Woo! There's just something really satisfying about that. Okay, the next part, I got this nut milk bag from the internet, and I've tried lots of different nut milk bags. I've tried fabric ones, organic cotton ones, hemp ones. In fact, like I think 20 years ago, I won a competition. I won a bag of hemp seeds with the shells on and a hemp bag. So, but actually this is made of nylon, which is actually something that I found to be the best over the years throughout my different explorations with that. So it's super easy. It's so ridiculously easy. You take off the lid, and then we're just going to pour it into the bag. You need it, obviously. You need something to pour it into. Goes without saying, really. So I'm just going to pour the whole lot into the bag.
And then all you do is pick the bag up and hold it at the top and then squeeze it out. There's something very, very satisfying about getting your hands in there. It's just something about it that is really rewarding. And then you're going to drink this and enjoy it, and it's going to nourish you. It's just going to taste really good. And then you're just left over with a bit of the pulp. If you've got something to do that, great. I like to return it to Mother Earth and compost it. And then I just feel like also it's just part of the natural cycle of life. So there we go. And just pop it in a jug. I like to store it in big jars, screw the lid on, store it in a clean bottle. It keeps in the fridge for a few days, if you can let it last that long. I'm just going to enjoy a bit now. See what it's like. Oh, it has a wonderful vibrancy to it. You can feel the love that's been massaged into it. Ah, yeah. It's a goodie. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know how you get on. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos that I share. Come visit my website, trinitieskitchen.com. Thanks for tuning in. It's great to have you here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.